Hey guys and girls, so I started a video, got this section done here with the 1 inch 25mm chisel, cut it out with that, and I was missing this one here, so I paused the video, turned off my phone, went looking for it, found it, turned my phone back on to continue the video, and dude, I'm not that savvy, so just starting the video again. I'm working on the letters capital A, V, A, lowercase v, lowercase a. Don't know if I'll do too much talking in this video. I'll see how I go. This is softwood. This piece is for my daughter, who wants it for her friend. Her friend's name is Ava. Only 3 letters, so this is just wood that I had on hand. Softwood is not the most ideal wood to carve. By any means. But I like to carve a variety of woods because hardwood, softwood have different properties. I do have preferences, but I still like carving any kind of wood that I can get my hands on. I might slap paint in this piece. Somebody said to me, do not paint your wood carving because it's something that is done by hand, not with a CNC router machine. And being by hand, it's, you know, a one of a kind you know, custom item and that is understandable. But paint, like oil, hides a multitude of sins. So I haven't clamped this workpiece purely because well, for the fact it is softwood. And all I'm doing is pressing. I'm not using a mallet. I'm just pressing as I go. And as I see defects, that's when I clean it up. So if I see imperfections, I clean up the imperfections as I go. And all I'm looking for is consistent lines. This gouge, this 520 gouge, it does have an imperfection in it, but I'll probably clean it up off camera. Just made a massive mistake. You guys may not be able to see it, but I mean on camera, the camera might not pick it up. Might need a smaller gouge. It's still a number 5, it's just narrower. This one's nice and sharp at least. Man, these blunt and quick, they do. So back to the 5/20. keeping it clean as I go, or trying to. How's it looking on camera? You got to be careful just here, because as you press the gouge into the wood, that stress can carry on through the grain and across what you've drawn out. So you just want to do it lightly. So that was the 5/20. Now this is the 1/8. I modified this and I gave it one flat surface and one beveled surface, whereas the tip came together in the middle. Now the tip comes together on the bottom, just like a normal flat chisel. I gave it and I sharpened it up just like a regular chisel also. I may be regretting what I've just done here, but we'll see. Again, got to be super careful here. At this point, you don't want it to blow out. Yeah, there we go. See all that broke? Yeah. I'm going to change it out to something a bit wider. Um, 12 mil or 1/2 inch. Yeah, I should probably have used the 1/2 inch on this side too. Just done that, sorry. Okay, we're going to be cleaning this up soon. There we go. Okay, before I get carried away, before I get too excited, let's clean this up. Give it some nice definition and nice edge. So as I pack away my tools from the previous sign that I've made, I don't necessarily sharpen, but I do sharpen as I start the next one. I don't know how this gauge got dented. I mean, it just happens. It's very soft steel. I mean, it's intentional. So before I go any further, I'm just keeping this line very clean, or trying to clean it up, I should say, rather. Again, I ain't got this piece clamped. It's only a very small piece. Okay, this is where I'm just gonna create a line down here. And that piece there, that piece there, it's on camera, just came out. So this piece here is looking really good. Now obviously doing it by hand, it's not going to be perfect, but why on earth would you use a CNC bed machine? Seriously. Why on earth do this wood carving by hand with basic hand tools? Just switching out to the 5/10 just to finish this part right here. This 1/4-inch chisel becomes extremely big when you start using it for wood carving. I thought it was small back in the day. So now it's just all about cleaning up this line. We're nearly done. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. I'm gonna add the join from the A to the V in this video. Don't let me forget. Come on. That ripped. The wood ripped. It did not slice just then. But I mean, it's what you get. No matter what you do, no matter what caution procedures you go through, You can try all you like, but it's still going to look handmade. Nothing wrong with that. Just made, oh man, just made a mistake then. I don't know if I'm going to be able to clean this one up. Come on. I'm actually only using a very select range of gouges and chisels. It's nearly looking good. From one direction, you see blemishes, you turn it around and you forget where they are. But hey, that's all good. I shouldn't have done that. I should have swung it around just now and come in from this side. Keep it clean. Back to the 1/8, and we're gonna just start the line that leads into the letter V, because the A is basically done. But I say it's basically done but the way that I work, if I see a blemish, I'll just keep working on it until it's completely blemish free, from what I see anyhow. The letter V hopefully is going to be another video. I'm surprised I've been able to do this one because I've been expecting my kids to interrupt me. And that's fine. I should go see what they're up to. Got to sort the defect out in this one. I might just press in the center here. And deepen it. Not widen it, but deepen. For now, she's looking pretty mint. I'll leave the video here. That's the letter A for you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Have a great afternoon. Bye.